Hello everyone, I am Navi. Today we are going to learn an exciting idiom and that is a piece of cake. The moment you hear this phrase, a piece of cake, you would have guessed that a delicious, spongy, colorful cake that you eat every day. Am I right? If you think that I am going to teach you about how to bake a cake, then you are absolutely wrong. Literally, I do not mean that cake. Then, what do I mean by a piece of cake? So, it basically means something that is very easy to accomplish. If you say that this project that I did was really a piece of cake, you mean that the project that was given to you was very easier to you. So, that's the way you could use this idiom. So, what is the meaning of this idiom? A piece of cake means? It really means very easy. Let's look at this idiom with some example sentences. Here is an example sentence for you. Learning a language is going to be a piece of cake. Now imagine that probably you have planned to learn a new language and the other day your English trainer is standing in front of you and you feel a little bit nervous about how to learn something new and how will I achieve my dream, stuff like that. Your trainer understands your situation and he would be like, learning a language is going to be a piece of cake, don't worry. Which means I'm here for you to teach you as much as I know. See, very soon it will be going out to be very easy for you. So that's when you could use this idiom as well. Let's have a look at another example sentence and that is, this sum is too difficult to understand. No, that's piece of cake. Probably a friend of yours comes up to your home as he doesn't understand some max problems clearly and he would be like, you know what? This sum is too difficult to understand. Could you help me to solve this problem? And you are like, no, it's not that difficult as you said. That's a piece of cake. I'll help you out. So that's how you can use this idiom on daily basis as well. So that's a piece of cake means that's very simple. The last example sentence that I have for you is, don't worry, it will be turning out to be a piece of cake for you. Again, imagine that probably you are preparing for an interview throughout the night. You tell your mom that, Mom, I don't think I'll pass this interview. But your mom can be like, don't worry, it will be turning out to be a piece of cake for you, which means it will be turning out to be easier one for you. So that's the way you could use this idiom. I hope you understand this idiom better. So start using this idiom and improve your vocabulary skills as well. So what are you waiting for? Do use this idiom and shine bright as always. Thank you.